Welcome to Bator International's Classic Online Motorcycle Sales. This gorgeous bike is a 1933 Harley-Davidson VLD. This is part of the Dave Fischer Collection that we will be selling at auction at no reserve this coming June 9, 2018 at the Frontier Harley-Davidson dealership in Lincoln, Nebraska. As you can see, this bike is very nicely restored and it'd make a great addition to any collection, or if you just wanted to go out and have a fun rider. Along with this motorcycle, we'll be selling off about 45 more bikes, parts, memorabilia, Harley-Davidson boat, snow machine, golf cart, all kinds of things. All selling at no reserve. To gain more information about the auction as well as this motorcycle, please go to our website at www.bator.international.com, or you can call me direct at 805-798-1802, and I'll be happy to speak to you about it.